Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to restore a deleted campaign in Google Ads. If you've accidentally removed a campaign or need to bring back an old one, this process will help you recover it without having to rebuild everything from scratch. First, open your browser and navigate to ads.google.com. Once there, log in to your Google Ads account using your credentials. After signing in, you'll land on your Google Ads dashboard, which is your central hub for managing all your advertising campaigns. From here, direct your attention to the left navigation bar where you'll find several menu options. Locate the one labeled Campaigns and click on it. This section gives you access to all your campaign management tools and is essential for viewing both active and deleted campaigns. Once you click on Campaigns, the menu will expand to show you an overview of your Google Ads campaigns. This is where you'll see all your campaign data, including those that have been removed. Now, look carefully through your campaign list to find the deleted campaign you want to restore. Deleted campaigns are typically marked with an X icon, making them easy to identify among your active ones. When you spot the campaign you need, click on the checkbox next to it to select it. This action tells Google Ads which specific campaign you're planning to work with your deleted campaign now selected. Look up at the blue header bar at the top of your campaigns list. Here, you'll find an Edit option, so go ahead and click on it. A drop-down menu will appear with several options. Since you're working with a deleted campaign, you'll want to click on Copy. This step essentially creates a duplicate of your deleted campaign, which is the key to restoring it. After copying the campaign, you should see a Paste option appear in the same blue header area. If you don't see it immediately, don't worry. Simply click on the Refresh button located on the top side menu beside the Appearance settings. Refreshing your campaign list will update the interface and make the Paste option visible. Google Ads is smart enough to detect that you've copied a deleted campaign and understands you're trying to restore it. Now, click on Paste and a menu will appear prompting you to configure how you want to restore this campaign. This is a helpful feature because it gives you control over how the restored campaign will function. You'll have options to pause the campaign immediately upon restoration and adjust the start and end dates by clicking on the respective checkboxes. Take a moment to configure these settings according to your needs. This ensures the campaign doesn't go live unexpectedly or run with outdated scheduling. Once you've adjusted all your preferences, click on the Paste button to finalize the restoration, and just like that, you've successfully recovered a deleted campaign from your Google Ads account. The campaign is now back in your account with all its original settings intact. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.